Volkswagen High-Tech City. My name is Pradeep Kumar. I am ASM in this branch. So now I want to tell you about the new Volkswagen BS6 2020. There is a new power-to-play concept of Volkswagen Polo with the new color of sunset red. And now the Volkswagen is coming with the new BS6 engines with a 1-liter turbo petrol engine with manual transmission as well as in automatic. Now I want to tell you about the new changes what is made in the power-to-play concept. In the new 2020 changes are made from Volkswagen is new honeycomb grille with the new side slats which gives you the more sporty look to the car, and always with the double barrel headlights. Double barrel headlights gives you the light visibility more than the normal regular ones. In this it has a high beam and low beam. You will get a separate beams where you can travel in the night driving time will be more brighter to your journey. You can see the new changes in the alloy wheels as well as the running board comes with the sporty skirts, gives you the sporty look and for the aerodynamic. And here with the diamond cut alloy wheels gives you the sporty look and the premium look to the Volkswagen Polo. And this is a unique opening is there for the Volkswagen Polo. It's a boot opening is there from the logo. As well you can see the parcel tray adjustment is there in the back, and even you can slide it and even you can remove it. Coming to the boot space, it comes with 330 liters of ample space where you can use your complete airport luggages, and there is a spare wheel at the down. And rear it comes with the rear parking sensors with additional sporty grille and sporty skirt for the rear. It looks like a and here the closing open close button is there, we can. Now the Polo is available in 3 variants. First Trendline and next is Comfortline. Trendline and Comfortline comes with the normal MPI-5 engine, and the Highline now it's coming with the 1-liter petrol turbo engine. And this power of petrol turbo engine comes with 1 liter with 110 PS power. This TSI technology is the most popular technology in the Volkswagen group itself, and this is owned by our Audi group. And prices for the Trendline is around 6,95,000 is the starting Trendline, and high Comfortline version start with 7,95,000. And coming to a Highline petrol is around 9,20,000 rupees in the manual transmission cost. And in Polo, GT TSI is also available with a cost of around 11,60,000. Volkswagen Polo now the company climbing is around 19.83. And coming to a service is once in a year you have to come for service, 15,000 kilometers or once in a year, whichever is earlier. And now we have a service centers like nearby. We have 4 service centers in city. One is in Gachibowli, which is called Kajaguda, next in Madinaguda, Miapur, and Kukatpalli, Suchitra. These are the 4 service centers available nearby in this, and other dealership as in Uppal is also there for service center. This showroom is located in High-Tech City near Kondapur RTO office, and this company is owned by our PPS Motors. It's an automotive group company. Company dealership name is PPS Motors, and my name is K. Pradeep Kumar. I am ASM in this branch. This is Highline version of a Polo. It has a tilt and telescopic steering adjustment. You can adjust your position depends on your requirements and in highways and even city drive. And this Highline version comes with best foot pedal system is there a near clutch. And you can still see this new steering with a flat bottom steering with a sporty kind of feel to your car. And this comes with a piano finish design with volume controls as well as Bluetooth connectivity is there, with cruise control option is there. This is a first in class car, comes with a minimum start of 20. You can activate your cruise control, and you can see this plus and minus where you can increase your speed by pressing this plus and even decrease your acceleration by pressing this minus. There is a nice feature where you can enjoy your drive in highways and even in ORRs. And coming to the infotainment system, this comes with a touchscreen infotainment system. This is a Highline version. You can see the touchscreen infotainment system, which has radio, media, and even it has a Bluetooth connectivity with app connectivity also there. It is called Android Auto is there, Apple Car connectivity as well as MirrorLink. And this infotainment system consists of 3 modes of auxiliary point, USB as well as SD card option. Next to the AC compartment, this comes with the Climatronic AC with auto sensors at the 2 can be recycled. Highline version comes with auto dimming IRVM, where automatically the rear view mirror will be dimming. You can see this here. And this comes with the rear sensor wipers. And you can see this armrest adjustment when you are driving at highways and even city driving. Your drive will be so comfortable so that you are rest with your hand. And even this comes with front AC and with as well as the rear AC for the rear passengers to get the new MPF5 petrol engine with BS6 engine.